Imagine how you feel if you completed that one big thing you're thinking of right now. It could be studying for your exams, working on a project you like, or simply being focused for longer periods of time. You'll feel amazing, right? Unfortunately, deep focus is difficult when there are so many distractions around us. This results in you grabbing your phone just to scroll cat videos for an hour straight and completely ignoring the thing you have to do. But here's the good news. With just implementing a few things, you can get into the flow state of working and work for so long you don't even know what time it is. So in this video, we'll go over 5 things you can do today or even after this video to achieve this kind of focus. Let's get into it because you deserve to get this thing done. Step 1. Define your goal. Ask yourself, what's the one thing I want to accomplish today? Take a piece of paper and write it down. Put it in front of you so you make it clear what you're working on and don't waste any energy on less important things. Step 2. Optimize your environment. Being focused means not getting distracted. So the key here is to eliminate all distractions. Put your phone in another room, clean your desk and close any distracting apps on your computer. Make sure you're comfortable, so take a comfortable chair, have a good lighting or get a cup of tea. Step 3. The 90-20 rule. This one is kinda similar to the Pomodoro technique, but for longer periods of working. So set a timer for 90 minutes. Here you're working fully focused, it's only you and your one task. After 90 minutes, take a 20-minute break. The goal here is to give your mind some well-deserved rest, not by grabbing your phone and scrolling cat videos, but by doing a so-called brainless activity. This can be drinking some water, stretching, taking a walk, doing yoga, or even doodling. See it like taking a rest in between sets at the gym. Step 4. Use music. Not some Sabrina Carpenter type of music, more something relaxing with no lyrics like lo-fi, synthwave, ambient music, or these instrumental movie soundtracks that'll make you feel like you're the main character. Using background noise can help you to get into the flow state of working faster, but this may not work for everybody. So just test it out for yourself and see if it helps more than complete silence. Step 5. Snack smart. Eating foods that are high in sugar will result in a high glucose spike and a high glucose drop. This will make your energy levels go into a roller coaster and will mess with your focus. So if you're feeling hungry, take some nuts, fruit, or if you're really craving something sweeter, take some chocolate with a cocoa percentage of at least 75%. So with these steps, you'll work longer with fewer distractions, you'll get into flow state and stay there for longer, finish important tasks without burning out, and feel more in control of your time and your work. Oh, so I have to work all day long for hours non-stop then? No, do the 90-20 rule around 3 times in one day. If you feel like doing more, do more. But always take some breaks. Your body needs rest, as this is the thing that will improve your focus. Okay, I'll just start multitasking so I get more things done. Well, no. Focus on just one task. Working on multiple things at once will decrease your focus. It's better to do one thing for 100% than 5 things for 60%. So give this recipe a try. Pick one task and set up a 90-minute deep work session right now. Let me know your thoughts and what topic you want to see next time. And if you found this helpful, leave a like and subscribe to this channel. I also made a free Notion template for you to start using this recipe. Link in the description. Have a nice day and see you next time.